Welcome, guys. Welcome. So today I'm going to show you the exact way, step by step, how to enter to have positions in the trading market with the trading strategy and the technique for beginners. Welcome to Hari. Hello from Vietnam. Good job, guys. Hello from Vietnam. Which part Vietnam? I really miss Ho Chi Minh City and Mekong. It was a great experience when I was back then in Mekong River. They have a tribe named a coconut tribe. Ho Chi Minh, awesome. Rama, welcome, Rama, welcome. Yes, Vietnam coffee is the best. Welcome, guys. Thank you for having me. Tonight, I'm going to give everything in my power to make sure you spend worth every minute, every second with me of your time. Welcome, guys. Aslinda, welcome. We're gonna start soon. Good evening, Bugal. Welcome. Welcome, guys. How many of you want to make 500 USD, 1000 USD per month? Please type me. How many of you would like to make 500 USD to 1000 USD per month? Please type me. Awesome, good job. You are in the right place. Awesome, Hasna, welcome. Shafi. How many of you not only make 500 USD to 1000 USD per month, but also you want to make more, 10 times more, exponentially? Type me X. Welcome, welcome. Good job. Awesome. You are in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make money, how to earn 500 to 1000 USD per month. Even you are new, even you are beginner, even you are know nothing about the trading. All right, welcome. All right, thank you so much for reply back to me. Hasna, welcome. Faisal. So this is going to be English. I know my native speaking. I'm a native speaker from Malay, but somehow we try to, I'm going to share with you, share with others part of the world. So we need to convey, or we need to also speak and converse in English as well. Also, welcome. I'm going to use a plain language, so it should be fun, plain English. And thank you so much for tonight. I'm really glad you are here. Please give a hand. Give a hand. Please type clap. Please type clap. Just raise hand. Yeah, thank you so much for raise your hand. I'm raising my hand too. Thank you so much. And first of all, I would say I would like to congratulate, and I really appreciate your time. I really like to acknowledge you for your time. I know now we are in the World Cup season. All right, we have lots of people out there. I can see lots of restaurants nearby. In Malaysia, obviously, you have a mamak stall. So most of the people are watching, the live event on the World Cup, and you are in upgrading your life, upgrading your knowledge, upgrading your values into the next level, so you can help your family, you can help yourself, and also to contribute and serve the world. All right, how many of you want to help and also add value to yourself and your family? Thank you. That's what makes you special, guys. All right, give a hand. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to start this soon. I'm going to share you with my PowerPoint. All right, give it a moment. Afza, welcome. Chan Kam Shiu, welcome. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for TMGM. We're going to share you a bit about the what you're going to learn here about the broker as well. So really important, we have to choose a very specific broker for your sections or for your very specific broker to choose. All right, so let's do it. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, going to share the screen now. And please tell me if you can see the screen. All right, I'm going to share now. I'm going to make it a full screen. All right, to make it a full screen. All right. Give him a moment. All right. Okay, you can see my screen? Can you see my screen, guys? All right, who can, please type 1 if you can see my screen, just to make sure. Because, you know, we have a technical issue always. All right, just to make a technical issue always. All right, today I'm going to share you the untold free money in the financial market. How many of you want to, you know, get the knowledge how to get, how to take, how to grab free money in the financial market? Type grab, GRB. And how to still make 60% to 120% per year, regardless capital you have, even you are beginner. How many of you want to make 60% to 100% per year, regardless capital you have, even you are beginner? So you are in the right place. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make 60% to 100% per year. And even you're not only earning $500 to 1,000 USD, but you can 10 times more in your return. All right, what will you get in this webinar, guys? So I'm going to share the first secret is the trading truth. Okay, the trading truth. Why you need only one good setup. I'm going to share you the one good setup. If you've been here before, if you had, you know, webinar with me last time, so you already knew about the one good setup. So now I'm going to re-emphasize the arts tonight, the arts of the one good setup, and how to make 5-figure monthly so that you will never worry about money again for the rest of your life. How many of you want to have an opportunity that you will never worry about money again for the rest of your life? Type money. Please type money. And secret number 2, I'm going to show you how to make money fast by just model, copy, and implement what already working for the last 16 years for me, so that you can start make money immediately, even you are very new. How many of you want to make a fast money? Just by modeling, copying, and implementing what I already been doing. Please type copy, C-O-P-Y. C-O-P-Y. And I'm going to show you the secret number 3, the untold trading leverage. Many of the traders only knew about the trading leverage based on broker and account type they have, like 1 to 100, 1 to 500 is a trading leverage. I'm going to share you how to, you know, discover how to make 5 figures monthly, regardless any amount capital you have, even 1,000 USD. How many of you want to make 5 figures monthly, regardless any amount of capital you have? Please type capital. So this is a true thing I'm going to share with you. And a little bit why this webinar is different. Guys, this is practical. This is practical. It's not theory. It's 100% practical. It's not theory. I'm in the market for the past 16 years and have been teaching for almost 100,000 new traders. All right, this is purely practical. It's not theory. So you can see lots of people out there, they call sifus or gurus. Maybe they share the fake account, or maybe they share, you know, just theoretical how to, you can simply Google in the YouTube, and you can simply Google in the, of course, the Google search engine, and you can find a lot of, you know, information how to, but you don't even know whether it's a, you know, a practical or it's theory. This is 100% theory. So I'm not theory Guy, I'm also been awarded with the Muslim World, the Jewel of the Muslim World by 2019, Fortifying Muslim Youth Leadership. So you can see on the left corner, the upside left corner, and I've talked to many different, I engage with different broker as educators as well. So basically this is a practice, not a theory. So this is really different. And if you stay until the end, guys, if you stay until the end by this webinar, so I will give you my $1 million trading checklist so that you can never go wrong, make money, and secure your capital. So I'm going to share with you at the end of the webinar. I'm going to give you basically my $1 million trading checklist because I'm frequently check my checklist to make sure I'm making money over and over again and never goes wrong with my decision. How many of you want to make money, secure your capital, and never lose your capital and make 10x, 100x from your capital and make profitable trading? How many of you want that? Please type me. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And what if you implement, okay, if you implement exactly what I've tell you tonight, what I'm going to show to you tonight. So I have two different portfolio here. So the left one is they're just newcomers. Basically, he just started from June to 2020 to 2022, and now is this is the result for October. So I'm not updated for November. I'm really sorry, but on the right corner, you can see the 16 months portfolio for monthly withdrawal, and you can see this guy or this fella, make decent around 10% per month, and the left one, the newcomer, is 5% per month. How many of you would like to have 5% and 10% per month? Making money for the rest of your life? Please type make money. Please money. Okay. And maybe you have asked me why I'm keep asking you a question. Is it okay? I'm frequently asking you questions because question will hook your mind. So this webinar will be not boring, and you can not only learn but you can also implement immediately. All right, is it okay? I'm frequently asked question. Is it okay? If okay, please type okay. Just make sure I'm engaging. And make sure if you have any distraction, such as, World Cup is going on, or you have any distraction, maybe you have another tabs open with maybe YouTube or something. So please focus on this. This is really important. This is 100% practical, and it's going to really, really help you because it helped myself. It helps my family. It helps also my students, themselves, and their family as well. All right. Are you okay? Good. Okay, so welcome to TMGM, Traders Awards. This is a broker. I'm really glad, I'm working with TMGM because most of the conversation I had with them, they make it easier for me and make it easier for traders as well. And they are really focusing in education. And for myself, I believe that a good broker must have a good education. How many of you believe a good broker must have a good education? So why broker must give a good education? Because we need trader that constantly making money. Based on the business model itself, I believe if trader constantly make money, therefore they also make money. This is a mutually exclusive partnership. How many of you agree on that? How many of you agree that you need a good education and make profitable trading, and then you can not only make money for yourself, but also broker side can do management-wise, liquidity management, transact your money from your deposit to liquidity provider and back to you when you are profiting from it. All right, so agree, right? So I'm also agree. That's why I work on more educations and some of the investment. Welcome, Sang Wing Tin. Welcome. And if you have any questions, maybe I need to rephrase or you need me to, talk again about some topics I'm going to walk you through. Should be fine. I'm happy to be able to help you in Malaysia tonight. All right. This is because I call tonight because this in Malaysia is night time. And thank you so much for having me instead of having, FIFA World Cup and also with the political issue in Malaysia. All right. General election. So today I'm going to share with you, brought to you by TMGM, how to enter the market trading strategy and technique for beginners. And let's deploy real life trading and get real experience. For those who never know, or you are new with TMGM headquarters is in Sydney, Australia. It's really important for us to know where the location, the physical location for the TMGM. So TMGM headquarters in Sydney, Australia, and they started from 2013. 2013 until now, how many months has been, went through? I think around 2013 and 2020 is almost 1 decade. All right, 1 decade. So they started as TradeMax Group, was founded in Sydney, and with the ASIC certified financial service with a license. And 2019, they launched office in Taiwan, and obviously they are also partner with Tennis Australia. All right, appearing in Australian Open 2021. And sponsor Alexander Zverev. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it accurately. 2020 Tokyo Olympic UEFA Euro 2020 football tournament. And last in 2020 is with AFF Suzuki Cup, a biannual football tournament. All right, so this is the license. A good broker must have a license because I think our money needs to be protected. How many of you have concern about how secure your money with a broker? How many you have concern? I don't know. If you have concern, please type concern. How many you have concern that maybe you was thinking that if I put my big capital such as 10,000 USD and above, and maybe something went wrong with broker, and I'm going to lose my capital. How many of you have concern with the broker? Because of your have deposited big amount to the broker. Yeah, it's one of my concerns too. So one of the way we want to, one of the way we want to validate, I think, the best way to validate the broker is through licensing. License, what I mean by license. So TMJ is regulated. So make sure it's regulated by 3 of the leading financial regulatory bodies. One of the ASIC, this one, Australia Security Commission, is to be regulated by ASIC, VFC, Vanuatu Financial Services, and FMA, Financial Market Authority in New Zealand. That's really strong, right? Guys, New Zealand and Australia and Vanuatu. And they have a different products: indies, energy, share markets, precious metal, future, forex. Over the last 12 months, they have been adding new product. And this product enable you to have different accessibility to different market so that you can leverage, so that you can allocate, so that you can, make more money through forex, indies, energy, shares, and precious metal futures. And this is what I said earlier. They give the best tool for any skill level. So world-class trading tools, copy trading offers, and expert-led education courses. You will learn step by step, one by one, ABC, hand-holding, work together. And also some of you know about the copy trading offer. It's done for you. Basically, they trade for you. So they have a variety choice from beginner to advanced, from low level to the high level. And they're partnered with Morgan Stanley, Citadel, 10, Jefferies, XTX Market, Nomura, and JP Morgan. And this is one of the, obviously you can see a shot on the TMGM sponsorships, Australian Open, AFF Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2022 is just a few months ago. All right, and Q2 performance, monthly volume with 270 billion, increased by 26%, daily volume 3.5 billion, 6 globally, retail volume growth. They're very strong on quarter on quarter growth on retail volume, ranked 6th place and globally among retail broker. And they have broken new highs again, and because most of people out there believe on TMGM. And they also retail volume ranked third globally by MT4 usage among retail broker, and social media is third ranking among it. This is a world class, guys. This is a world class. All right. So I know I've shown you something. Just before I continue, many people maybe, they see me, okay, this guy has been doing something for his entire life and made some success and also help other people. And maybe you think that, you see that I'm also being awarded the best trading guru for Malaysia, and also been awarded by different recognitions, partners. But what you don't know about me, that can I share a little? Since we spend time together, can I share you a little bit of my origin story? How I discovered, how I create all the framework, I create all the money machine, so-called ATM money machine. How you can get money? Can I a little bit share? Can I share a little bit about my origin story? Is it okay? All right. So what people see me now is right here. All right. I'm 40 years old, 41 to be exact. And I started trading at the age of 25 is like most likely around 16 years ago. And maybe some of you, already know about me, that I am here having a lot of success, but not many people see where I came from. So you can see this is my childhood memories. Just a few months, I barely, just can roll over onto my belly. And this is me. This is the exact, I have my father, my parents uneducated. So we need to sell food in Kuala Lumpur. So I live in Kelantan basically. And then we need to move Kuala Lumpur. That when I was 6 years old, as you can see, my body is smaller than my head. So my brother always make fun of me because my head is bigger than my body. But they don't know I have a, clever brain. And I live with my uneducated parents. So I came with the very poor family. And this is when I was, I think this around, I'm standard 5, maybe around 11 years old. So this is me. This is my sisters. And this is basically, if you can see this in the big enough, this is very poor old house in the areas in Kota Baru, Ketere, Malaysia. So I really live in poor family. And I have a problem, some problem occur for me that when I just, every day, when I wake up, I cannot see my parents around me because they have to work. They have to, go out early for the, to get some raw material, to get, to sell food on the, they have a very small, it's not called restaurant, maybe a small stall, right? In that moment. So when I just about to, enter the bedroom, and when I was child, then, I want to, at the night time, you want to sleep and you want to, your father and mother around you, but they're not there. And I was thinking at that moment, I know that this is not exactly what I want if I become a parent. All right, how many of you can relate that? That you have so busy mother, father, and they don't have much time for you, and you have, somehow in your guts, in your deep down in your heart, that you want the world view different for yourself in the next years to come. All right, how many of you know that really important that you put also time and put also, spend lots of time with your family and loved one. All right, please type loved one. And then I realized, how can possibly I have this thing? Because what my parent told me, the first one, you need to learn in school, go to school, get a good grade, and find a good job, and don't become them. How many of you been trained or been told by your parent that go to the school, get a good grade, and get a better job so you can change your life? How many of you have that parent too? Type, me too. I think at that moment in 80 and 90, most of the people want education, their family, so go to school, get a good grade, and get a good job, and live a decent life. But somehow I realized that most of the people, they live, with limitations. They're bound by their work. They're bound by their, rules because they work on the daily basis. And eventually they grew old and then don't have much time to spend on themselves. So I don't want to waste my time. All right, I don't want to waste my time. I believe maybe there will be one vehicle or one platform that really can get me there where I can totally become financial freedom, where I can totally, I don't have any money limitations, where money is no longer concern for me. And I want to find a job that I'm not bound by time, I'm not bound by, specific rules, regulation. I don't have a colleague that messing with me around political issues in my company. And I don't want someone that arrange my life for me. That's what I want. How many of you want total freedom without limitation, where money is no longer concern for you, where time and you not be bound by rules and regulations or by rules by anyone? How many want to total freedoms? Right? Same like me. I was, when I was kid, that the exact thought in my mind. That's the exact thought in my mind. So how I can find this? And fast forward, in 2006, I found this thing called Forex. All right, I found this thing called Forex. And this is exact picture, guys. On the right side is where the first ever class I have attended. And for your information, this is not class I attend. That's class that I organized for one of the top traders at the moment. So you can see the very big box of the monitor. We don't have that monitor anymore right now. And the left corner, I try to, show my friend as well how this thing works. But the things is not went well for me. I'm more on going deeper with the trading. So I believe, so-called at that moment, if I have a system or indicator that going to show me how to make money, to make sure that if I put my $1 in and I come out with $10, I will become rich. Yeah, it was very nostalgic environment. Haziq, in fact, there's an earlier cyber cafe environment at that moment. All right, at that time. So you can see I use a lot of indicator. How many of you believe that you need a lot of indicator, confluence, or you need a multi-system in order to you make good profit? That was my belief before. So I thought that if I have lots of indicator in my MetaTrader, in my analysis, and I thought that if I learned a lot of system, so I can become rich before my 30th age. How many of you before this or now believe that you need complicated indicator? How many of you believe that you need a lot of system to make sure that your entry, you focus on entry and it will become a profitable trading? So I think this was my dark time. You can see this is my exactly on the right corner. This is my exactly indicator what they use. So this is the, thank God one of my friend took this picture and I can showcase you. This is exactly where I came from. So I have that hard ways to get money from the, CFD market or the Forex market. And for the last 10 decades, the hard way I have learned, I have believed that use many indicators to get perfect entry. And also I think that if I learn and apply different technical analysis, I can increase my profitability. How many of you have a belief that you cannot focus on the technical analysis, but somehow when the market open and you got news at that moment and news going to ruin your technical analysis? Okay, that was me before. I believe fundamental news that will ruin my technical analysis. And for the first, and I think not the first, I think most of the the first 3 years, all right, not the first month, the first 3 years, I did lots of scalping in the fast because I believe scalping is the fastest way to make money. And I don't use a bigger time frame. Okay, I'm purely use on smaller time frame because I believe if I use bigger time frame, then it's gonna makes my profit, longer. So I need fast profit. So I'm focused on the small time frame. And I also believe on the high risk, high return. At that moment, I believe, okay, I need to take high risk. Therefore, I need lots of indicator. I need a lot of different technical analysis to make sure I so-called crack the code, found the holy grail. And I believe that will make my money. Okay, will make lots of money for me. So why I'm sharing this to you, this is really hard way for me. And I found out after the many years of trading, after the decade of tradings, the easiest way, I have the easiest way, the easy way, I need just to focus on one good setup. This is my new way, the easy way. The old way, I need to use many indicators, use multi-pass. I need to use different, meticulous robotic or AI. So I just found out I just to focus on nimble thing. Because the hard way, what I use many indicators, learn and apply, believe fundamental scalping the fastest way, and focus on small time frame, believe on high risk return. So what made me back then, I'm become lethargic. I feel tired. I don't have, I didn't make money, but I lose a lot of money. And then the easiest way I just found out, just focus on the one good setup, which I'm going to share you after this. And if you want to make 10x income, exponential income, you don't focus on the risk. You don't focus on the reward. You don't increase the risk, but you scale capital. All right? Not the risk. All right? You scale capital, not the risk. And the new way also, you just need a very specific mindset how to manage your money management and manage your technical analysis by using the low risk, high return. And please focus on USD and please focus on percent, not USD. Okay, this is my easy way, new way. I have learned a lot of bad mistake. I had lost around $16,000 at that moment. If I have bigger capital, I think I lost more. Thank God I have only $16,000. And I make, I think, 100 times more. So I just to make sure that you understand the easy way, you have the easy way. How many of you want to know how to trading with the new way? I'm going to walk through step by step how to, use the easy way. How many of you want to focus on the easy way? Please type easy. Please type easy. Yep. So what I'm going to share to you, then I already shared before, that if you implement this, you're going to make lots of money. Okay, if you implement this, you make a lot of money. So the first one that you're going to have, years of profitable percentage. Okay, you're going to have this. And if you implement what I'm saying, so I'm going to share with you, you're going to get, percentage on consistency, and you can make a lot of money, and money is no longer constant for your life, for the rest of your life. How many of you would like to have money is no longer constant in your life? Ever again. All right, awesome. Please type awesome. Please type awesome, guys. Please type awesome. Please type awesome. Please type awesome. Please type awesome. Awesome. Good job. Okay. All right. And as for me, I truly believe one thing, guys. I truly believe one thing. All right, that's why I'm truly on one thing. What I'm truly believe is the only way to live without limitation, to live totally freedom, financially, emotionally, is through mastering trading. All right? How many of you believe that you have same belief on me? So I believe the only way to grow exponentially your income is through mastering trading. How many of you believe on this particular belief same as me? Right? I know that we have another option, that we have a property investment. That also a good investment. I know there's also a business, that side of business, you can grow business exponentially. For me, I truly believe that the only way to exponentially grow your income is through mastering trading. How many of you have same belief? Type same. And the only way to mastering trading, you need to know the proven way how to do it. All right, so I'm going to share you how to do it now. All right, so I truly believe this is my life. Practically, I'm enjoying it. I'm living on it right now. I'm going to share the same privilege to you. All right, so let's get started. How basically, so we're going to transition to the next. How basically you can deploy, you can plug and play, you can model copy and apply step by step. And then you can use by yourself. All right, how many of you want to start now? Please type start now. Okay, so trading, plug and play. All right, so I believe this is one vehicle. I'm going to totally use the trading. And I also showcase for you, not only myself, but my student, my follower also has made exactly money they need. All right, so now we need to know how basically I can transfer my knowledge so that you can apply step by step, one by one, and you can have fast result. How many of you want a fast result? Type fast result. Okay, so the trading plug and play. Trading plug and play, you need three main components. How many components? Three main components. The first one, you need to understand how to define the trend. All right, the first one, you need to understand how to define your trend. So how I'm going to define the trend? I'm using the moving average as a support resistant. And the second one that you need to identify how you can know there has a volatility in the market so that the trend will go right on the ideal direction you want. So you need the Bollinger Band. And how you want to confirm the market directions? You need to use the candlestick close price and open price. By the way, this is 100% from my experience. So if you compare from maybe another books on the market, most of the how I do it maybe defy their theories or defy how they look on the market. I'm not saying they're wrong, but you need to understand this is my own experience. It's good result. How many of you can tolerate with that? Okay, so please don't compare with the book you have read or the seminar you have attended. This is exactly the blueprint. And most of this, my thought process, most of my trading is defying, all right, most of the theory out there. They make money, I also make money, but somehow this is my own way. And I also help more trader on this and they make results. So hopefully it will do the same for you too. All right, is it okay? Please type okay, guys. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, awesome. Good job from Vietnam. Very active. All right, so the second part you need to know is the trading zone. How to define the trading zone? There's a 4 element or component of the trading zone. The first one is reward. The second one is risk. The third one is support. And the fourth one is resistance. All right? That's the thing you need to know. And what is the trading zone? Okay, when I combined everything together, you will see this very specific exact chart, guys. All right? Please don't get scared or afraid or feel complicated, because this is most simplest and profitable trading systems, trading methodology in this planet. I can assure you, because I have gone through a lot of education material as well. And I don't say basically they are wrong, but I can assure you this is the most simplest how to tackle the market, because the market is 80% on the sideways and 20% on trending. So I'm more focused on the both side. You need to have sideways trading plan and the trending plan. Hello, Gordon. How are you? Danny, welcome. So what is trading zone? So trading zone is used to determine which pair or time frame to use. How many of you have a problem? Which pair should I trade? Do I need to trade multi-pair? Do I need to focus one pair? Do I need to focus on the Forex? Do I need to focus on indies? Do I need to focus on the commodity? Or do I need to focus on the multi-cross asset? How many have problem in choosing pairs? All right. How many of you have a problem with which time frame you want to use? How many of you have problem with which time frame you want to use? Okay, maybe you focus on some of teachers or sifu, maybe they tell you that you need to use, okay, please use H4 and above, or maybe just focus on the M15. Okay, in this, if you came with me in my journey, in my 16 years experience, I'm not focusing on which pair. I'm not focusing on the time frame. I'm focusing on the trading zone. All right. So the first keyword you need to understand, you need to take away, all right, with you, the golden nugget I want to share with you. The key for choosing pairs and time frame is trading zone. Please type trading zone. Please type trading zone. Please type trading zone. All right. So the first one is focus on trading zone. This really going to be a game changer for you guys. I promise. I have a bold promise. Ironclad guaranteed to make sure you make money through trading zone. It's a very simplest methodology that I have created, through my experience and also from my feedback on the others, student as well. And the second part, you need to focus on trading zone. We want to use as intraday. All right, we want to use as intraday. You can, if you has experience and you want to focus on different angles, such as you want to do the scalping intraday, or you want to do swing or positions, doesn't matter. I respect that, but if you are really want making money, in my experience, please use as an intraday trading. So intraday trading meaning that you want to close all position daily. Daily. All right, you want to close all position daily. How many have you not starting trading yet? Not started trading yet? How many of you not started yet? If you are really new, please type new. I just to make sure that I'm talking to the right segment. Okay, you are new. Okay, good. If you are new, I'm going to share to you the template how to use this. All right, this is done for you. All right, if you are new. How many of you already trading but not consistently make money? Or maybe you need to grow your trading profitability. Please type trader. Please type trader. So if you are new, good. I'm going to give you the template so you can just deploy. All right, you can just use immediately to implement. And if you are a trader, good. I'm going to share you the exact blueprint. How you can copy, model, and make profit and take net income by the end of before we end the webinar. Okay, good, awesome. So you're in the right place. No worries. If you are new, you're in the right place. If you're already in trading, you are in the right place. And please measure this bi-weekly. All right, please measure. What to measure? The percentage. Please do not make more than 10% per month. This is your focus. And maybe you have some questions pop out in your mind. If I make 10% per month and my capital is 100 USD, literally I make 10,000 USD, it's a waste of time. How many of you think that $100 and then you create or you make $10, you think it's a waste of time, that waste of time? All right? Me too. I think also that's a waste of time. If I look at as a USD return or monetary return. If I look at as a percentage return, yes, if I look at as a percentage returns, I know that I already made 10%. Imagine if you have $10,000 as your capital. Just imagine how much you make by 10% per month. How much you make by 10%? If you have 10,000 USD, you make 1,000 USD. How many of you think that 1,000 USD is a good money for you? Please type good money. It's a good money for you. Please type good money. Yeah, for me it's good money too. So meaning that if you can make 1,000 minimum, all right, that will go. It will be a game changer for you. And S for me. Yes, good. It's very good money. Good job. Awesome. And the first thing you need to understand how to plug and play. Please use this trading zone template. All right. So this trading zone template, you have support. Okay. You have resistance, and this the reward. All right. The reward. And this is the risk area. What you need to know that you need to find. This is the reward. Basically, you want to close your position and find entry is either resistance or support based on your candlestick trend. Please do not confuse yourself. What is candlestick trend and so on and so forth. You just need to understand this is the trading zone first. If you are new, I'm going to send you very specific how to understand this system. Because tonight is not about the system, it's about more applications. And I'm going to done for you. I'm going to share the templates for you, how you can use and deploy it immediately. Okay? Is it okay? Please type okay if I can continue. Is it okay? Just bear in mind, keep in your view that I'm going to help you through the email system after this. Okay? You're going to register with me. I'm going to share you. I'm going to give you my $1 million trading checklist so that you can copy, model, and apply and make money instantly. All right, this is trading zone. Okay, now I'm going to focus on the trading arts. Okay, the trading art is, you need to understand, we have two categories or two focus on the trading art. The first one is ideal trading, and the second one is called defensive trading. Okay, what do I mean by ideal trading? You are focusing on the ideal market direction based on your analysis. I'm going to show you on the real market, by the way. And what is defensive trading? You market against direction. You need to focus on exit as soon as possible. Okay, what do I mean? All right, I'm going to open broker for you, platform. And then I'm going to showcase you exactly the same blueprint that I've shared you earlier. All right, so let's share the screen right now. Awesome. Are you okay, guys? Please type okay. Are you okay? How are you doing so far? Good? How are you doing so far? Good? Please type good. All right, so this is the market, guys. This is the market. This is exactly the market. You can see the candlestick close price and done for you template. This I'm going to share with you how you're going to understand technically how to put in your, how to set up this in your computer, laptops, or in your phone so that you can have ability to trade, make money anytime, anywhere in the world. Even you are new. Guys, this is the system. All right. So I'm not focusing on very specific step-by-step tonight because we don't have much time left, but somehow you know how the system works. Okay, based on this candlestick, I have the M30. I have this called candlestick continuation. So let's say for the purpose of education, so I'm going to immediately, make some position here, take some position here. So I'm going to make buy position. Okay. I'm going to create a buy position right now. Okay. So when I focus on a buy position, so what I'm looking forward, that market is going north, right? Going north. Okay. What do I mean by market going north? Because this is candlestick trend. It shows to me, it gives signal that market to going up. But of course, market may be going down as well. So for this example, I believe on the market structure in the earlier webinars. All right, if you missed the webinars, it should be fine. Just bear with me, follow step by step. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how things get done and make money. Okay, this is a market structure, basic market structure. This is A, meaning that you have a signal you identify by this candlestick trend based on close price and resistance. If you are new, if you're confused right now, meaning you are learning. So meaning good. If you are already in trading, you may confuse because you never use this type of approach, methodology, technical analysis before. Then should be fine. I'm going to share with you step by step in the email. I promise you this time. All right? Meaning not last time I didn't promise you, but this is more on the very specific, help you by daily basis on to hand-holding you, with you, work together on the live daily basis. All right? In the live trading daily basis. All right, so I believe the market going up, going to the north. And this market is called retest. This is a break and a retest. And ideally, I'm focusing market going to the north. This is ideal market. Meaning, the market tally with my analysis. The market going to the north because my indicator based on the candlestick trend, I call it candlestick trend uptrend, and I have a very specific validation on that based on close price above the upper band and above the both resistant, then it's called as support resistant, and in this case is MA moving average resistant, and I believe that market going north. All right, this is ideally, this is ideally, you get this. How many of you get this? Please type get this. So ideally, I think, based on my analysis, ideally my decision, I opt for buy position because I believe ideally market going north. Please type get this. All right, awesome, I say good job, good job. Good job, please give a hand to yourself. Good job, guys. Good job, good job. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Get this. Awesome, Suzanne. Awesome, Hazik. Awesome, Cheong. Awesome, good job. Awesome, Chingkam. Good job. I'm sorry if not, pronounce your, maybe you have last name or first name. I'm not used to it, but I'm getting used to it. All right. If market going down is called defensive. Defensive. Okay. What is called? Defensive. Okay. It's called defensive. So in my case, I take positions on the north direction, ideally market based on my analysis, based on my indicator trend, I use called CTU, candlestick trend uptrend, and it's sure to me that market going to the north. Ideally, I want to ask you one question. Can market going to the south? Can market go to the south instead of the north? Of course, yes. Right? Of course, yes. Because I'm not, like I said earlier, I'm defying lots of belief out there. I always put myself into the state on the thought process that where I believe market is always 50-50. That market always can go against me. All right? In the very specific manners, in the very specific thought process, I believe market going north, but I have strongly based on philosophy belief, philosophical, I believe that market also can against me. So I need to have Yeah, markets not belong to us, and market is not, follow our direction. Sometimes market based on follow our setup, and sometimes market against our setup. Okay, so the most important, the art is here. All right, the art, the creativity is around here. All right, you need to understand this. Right now, I give you the science. All right, I give you the science. I give you the structure of the market. So it's called technical analysis, or it's called trading framework. Okay, please type trading framework is a science/structure. It's a science or structure. Please type for me. Just to make sure that this gonna, this very specific ideology or belief imprint on your brain. So trading is a sign of structure. Trading framework is science of structure. Okay. All right. Please, that's really important. Right? Trading is a trading framework is a sign of structure. Okay. All right. So basically, what I'm looking forward that how to deploy the trading arts. The first one is you need the science. You need the structure first. So I just showcase to you the structure, guys. Okay, I just showcase you the structure. All right, clear? I just showcase the structure. So, what is science and art in trading? Science is a structure, for example, is trading framework. You got it? Okay, what is science and arts? All right, the first one, science is structure, for example, trading framework. Okay, and now I'm going to show to you what is the arts. This is the arts. Ideal and defensive, the very basic fundamental arts. Okay, you can see my position right now is in the negative. Okay, in negative. All right, negative. Then it's not positive. All right. If the market went down, somehow if I found out this market went down, so if I open the new position here for your showcase, all right, for this very specific, this is live trading, by the way. Basically, what I'm doing now, this is idea. So I need to exit. If this profit, so I can close the profit. Yes, trading also mathematic, but I'm looking forward that you need to understand what is science and art trading. Science is structure. Okay, for example, trading framework. And art is trader creativity in structure itself to create result. You need this structure itself to create result. Structurally, this is how I'm going to do it. You're going to do it. It's called trading methodology. Then you need arts. Art is combined between trading methodology, risk management, and mindset. No worries about the wording I just called out. No worries. It's a jargon. I know. Just bear with me. Step by step, I will hand holding you how to, deal with this together. All right. So now market is going down. So market is against me. What I need to, and the arts part, I need to do the defensive. All right. Defensive trading. Okay. So what should I do? Okay. What should I do? I need to focus the market going down. And then in here, I have literally my position showed to me that is 0.00, meaning that I have made no loss or minimal loss. I need to exit the position as fast as possible. So the market maybe somehow going down like 80 pips, or maybe it's going to spike out maybe 3 or 30 or 40 pips. Doesn't matter. So I just want to showcase if I believe this market ideally going up based on my candlestick trend, then I need to understand this is an ideal market. So I'm going to take profit. And if market going down, I need to understand it's defensive. So I need to get out from the market as soon as possible and make new position after that. All right. So what is science and art trading? Science is structure, for example, trading framework, and art is trading a creativity in structure itself to create result, making money. You understand what the difference? The science is a trend, but the art is how going to combine this ingredient in trading framework. Is called trading methodology, the system, the technique you are using, the money management, how much capital you have, the lot size you are using, and the mindset based on the risk approach mindset. Got this? Please type, got this? All right. So if I ask you what is science and art is trading, science is structure, for example, trading framework, and art is trader, creativity in structure itself to create result. Got this? All right, awesome. So I'm going to leave there. I don't care. I'm going to leave there. If my position trigger, then we're gonna get back to this after this. Is it okay? Because the market is live now, so we're going to leave it for a few minutes, and we're going to see the result after this. Is it okay with you? Is it okay that way? Okay, please say okay. I'm going to share with you with the next session for tonight. All right? Are you okay, guys? Are you okay? Are you okay? Please type clap. Please type. I just need to make. Okay. Sigfron, I'm very new so far. Never trade before. I need very simple basic step by step how to trade from the very first step. That should be fine. Should be fine. All right. For those you are very new, basically this is second webinar from the first webinar. And you just bear with me. We only have like another 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to guide you step by step on the in the email. Is it okay for you? Is it okay, guys? Is it okay that way? So I'm really appreciate your time. And you are very new. And you maybe somehow you know, lost in the direction. But just bear with me. I'm going to help you step by step. This is like 1 hour, 15 minutes that you can know how this thing going on. On the hand-holding part, I'm going to share you through email, and maybe we can have some, occasionally live trading together. All right? Okay. So we're going to share with you the last part. Okay, the untold trading leverage. Okay, the free money that you left on the table for the untold trading leverage. So there's a 3-step. If you have small capital, let's say below $1,000, so how many you have? You don't have much capital to invest in. How many of you don't have much capital? Don't have a big capital, meaning that you don't have $1,000 and above. Or maybe you have money, but you're scared to use most of your money. So I'm going to share you how basically you're going to trade regardless any amount of capital you have. All right, you're going to settle your own problem. All right, not so much money. Should be fine. So this is the untold trading leverage. It's going to really help you guys. So the first one is you focus on consistency for 12 months. The first step is you need to focus on consistency. Just do exactly what I have shared with you earlier. All right, what you have discovered with me. So you focus on consistency for 12 months, 5 to 10%. And use minima 1,000 USD as a capital to showcase, to project for 12 months consistent. And the third step is to become fund manager internally, meaning you have own fund by, prepared by company, or maybe prepared by yourself with your saving, or maybe your family, or it's called Love Fund. Love, L-O-V-E, Love Fund, and become fund manager. And also you can use external as a fund manager itself. Okay. I'm going to share with you one of the stories that going to maybe relate with you. I have lots of story. For the sake of time, I'm going to focus just one story at the moment. This is Iman. So Iman worked with me. This is the second year. All right, this is the second. He started with me early. His age is 20. All right, and know nothing at all about the market, about the industries. And during pandemic, just before pandemic, his father died, and his family business closed down because of the pandemic. How many of you get affected because of the pandemic? Say yes. How many of you get affected by pandemic? You lose your job, you lose your business, and you're affected by pandemic. I know lots of people get affected by pandemic, guys. Then this coming recessions, this coming economic crisis in 2023 we really need to still pay our bill. We need still to make money. And for me, this is one of the way that we can still make money. So this is Iman. Okay, luckily not. Some of you not. Okay, most of us, get impact from the COVID. So some of you really rich because of the COVID. Yeah, sadly, yes. So this Iman. So Iman started with no experience and with no capital as well. And I give him some fund. And for this year, he started his journey to become what I just told you earlier, the Anto trading leverage, the focus constancy use minima, $1,000 USD. So this is what the performance he had shown through my FX book. In one of the platforms that show result or project result from your trading activities. Okay, the first one that in February, he started February with the Ukraine war. He just lost 21%. And constantly generate result step by step, one month by month. And he not only recover from his loss, but really make money. How many of you think that he make money based on this statistic you see? How many of you think that he has a skill to make money based on the statistic you have seen? Yes, right? Making money, right? And I share with you with the USD part as well. He just lost $432 and slowly come back, and obviously he make more than that. And because of this discipline, and because of this, for me personally, it's a quite outstanding performance. Just started out 20 years old with no background in the industries, zero knowledge, all right, and just spend a few time following what I'm teaching and apply this year. I gave him $1,000 to start, and he's constantly. So I just awarded this month, this month, just started this month. I awarded to him to leverage $3,000 account, meaning he has right now $1,000, and I put my own. In this case, I put my own money, $3,000, so that he can, trade $1,000 and make money like he has $4,000. How many of you like to, trade $1,000, but you still make money like you have $4,000? All right. So I'm going to share with you the very specific how this thing works. All right. Okay. I'm going to share you exactly how this thing works. This is where you leverage, the untold leverage. Okay, you can see, this is the last week performance, and practically you can see what's going on. You can see. All right, he started with 1,000 capital and made losses, and this is all the position he had made. Basically, he focused on just one pair in particular, gold. All right, you can see right now, end of this. By the way, I had already withdraw some of the amounts. So you can see this month profit in $108.63. Okay, $108.63. His capital is 1,000. He made around 11% this month. 11%. All right. And this is his manager account, his own account, 1,000. This is another account, $3,000. Follow this fella account. You get what I mean? There is two account, 1,000 and 3,000 USD. So 1,000 based on 10%. This is 3,000. And if he made good progress in next 3 months, I'm going to award 5,000 account. All right. So I'm going to play the video of what happened when this 3,000 account followed just 2 weeks in this month. So this account made $244.35. All right, $244. So how much money total accumulation Iman made? $108.63 plus $244 in 0.35. Can you calculate on this, please? Help me on this, guys, to make sure you're not falling asleep. All right. I'm going to count with you as well. So $108.63 plus $244.35, you get around $352.98. All right. So in Malaysia ringgits, how much? If you multiply by 4.5 for the currency, if you multiply 4.5, okay, multiply by 4.5. Oops, I don't know. I should do this again, or I just can continue, or cannot. How much? Around 1,600. 1,600 per month. And I'm going to ask you one simple question. How many of you want to earn 1,600 Malaysia ringgit per month as an additional money? Would it be a good money for you? Got this? You know the untold leverage? And if in Vietnam, how much in Vietnam? How much money can you share in Vietnam? I went to Vietnam like 6-7 years ago. I can't recall what the Vietnamese currency now. How much in Vietnam? For those in Vietnam, how much? How much, guys, in Vietnam? Yeah, obviously, lots of bill can settle. You can pay your electricity. You can pay even your internet bill. Oh, Vietnam dollars, VND, right? So, should I call you Hong? Hong, right? Hong. In Vietnam, it's a good money or very small money. Huang, it's called Huang. Okay, Huang. So, 8.4 million Vietnam. All right. Is that a good money? How much in average income monthly in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh? How much? Huang. Maybe more than average. Doesn't matter. Just I need to know what. Okay, every 6 million. Every 6 million. Now it's 8.4 million, right? So, just use your phone. This guy, Iman, with no knowledge, with zero knowledge, all right? I transferred my 16 years blueprint and I show him step by step. I deconstruct my blueprint layer by layer so that he can apply, model, copy, and deploy and make 8.48 million Vietnam dollars per month. You think this gonna change his life forever? What do you think? What if you have the exact skill set that transferred to you and you make, for starting, around 8 billion Vietnam dollars per month? What do you think? This is a good start, right? Good start. Yes, totally change. And if this guy, start implement this, just follow, don't need to try and error, because it's already done for you. You just get these systems, get this template, and follow exactly my action plan, and you made every month. Let's say I'm going to multiply by 5. Let's say he made by next 3 months, let's say $500. It would be impactful and change his life forever. Like, it would change his life. Haziq and we fly to Vietnam monthly. Right? You get this? This is real practical, guys. I'm not rah-rah kind of person, meaning showing you the hype or the hypey kind of thing. I'm showing the practical how to deploy this. All right? What do you think? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this, guys? Can you do this? What do you think? Can you do this? Yes, guys. Yes. Because you are not alone. You have a mentor, 16 years experience. In fact, if you work together with me, you work together with TMGM, okay, we are going to give you very specific educations to start. And work together on how to do the live trading so that you can make money and money is no longer concern for the rest of your life. All right? How many of you would like to have that privilege? Please type I. All right? I. Okay. So what next? If you think that we are right fit together, it's just simple. Open an account with TMGM, and I will follow up you through email system as well. And as I promised for you that I'm going to give you my $1 million trading checklist. I'm going to walk you through the email first. You know, you get email from myself. I'm going to personally write the email so that you can know where to start from the beginning and how to do it step by step, regardless any capital you have, even you don't have much time, and even you are totally new, totally brand new. It should be fine. All right? So we're going on that direction. Okay, is it okay? I don't have any very specific offer, but I can tell you, you can start from this, and I'm going to walk you through for the next version of your future self that you make money and money is no longer concern for yourself. Okay, so back to our trading. Back before we end, back to our trading. All right, this trading is now, I had triggered my buy positions and $12 right now. And my plan, if this is defensive, meaning if this position is a net position, okay, so I'm going to close this position because I'm already in defensive mode. That's all. All right. And before I end this webinar, I'm going to share with you the last offer that you net. By the way, guys, today we have a lucky draw. Or a lucky draw. Give a hand to TMGM. Please type TMGM. Give a hand. We have a lucky draw. We have concert ticket. Okay, ticket concert. We have a lucky draw. TMGM just told me yesterday that we have a lucky draw. All right, lucky draw for this end of session. All right, guys. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sharing the wrong slide. All right. So, I should announce it earlier. One is lucky draw. And I have a question as well for the lucky draw. It's a very simple question that I have shared earlier. So, if you get this lucky, if you answer my questions briefly, I'm going to choose the winner. You're going to get J Chow Carnival World Tour, 15 January 2023. Sir, coach, I don't have time to go to J Chow. And maybe I know him, but I don't have time at that moment. You can give to your other friend. All right, we have 2 tickets. Okay, 2 tickets for J Chow Carnival World Tour, 15 January. It's a lucky draw. And you can go there. You can bring your girlfriend or boyfriend, or just give it to others that who want to go the Jay Chow Carnival, they're going to appreciate this. This is very famous right now for your information. And the question is, ready? Please type ready. The question is, ready? Please type ready. Just play with me. Can we play this lucky draw session? Guys, please. All right, please type ready. Please type ready. And end of the webinar, I also promise you to give my $1 million checklist. All right. So my question. Get ready, guys. Can you tell me what is science and arts in trading? Okay, what is science and arts in trading? I mentioned it earlier a few times. What is science and arts in trading? And thank you so much, Jasmine from TMGM. Say that the chat will be closed for 30 seconds. The first lucky client who answer right, we win 2 J Chow tickets. Come on, guys. What is science and arts in trading? Come on, guys. Take a guess. Take a guess. What is art and science in trading? Come on, guys. The science, I'm going to give you a hint. The science is what, based on what, and art is what, based on what. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We're almost end of the webinars. Come on, guys. What is science and arts in trading? I know it's not easy question, but it's not also a hard answered question. Come on, guys. What is art and science in trading? Or what is science in art? I'm sorry about that. I'm digressing somehow. What is science and art in trading? Come on, guys. Come on. Guys, waiting for you. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Can you write on the full sentence? Full sentence. Come on, full sentence, guys. Come on, what is you write this? Science is what and art is what? Come on, guys. That's art. That's what is art. Come on, come on. Theories, of course. Okay, I give you a hint. All right, guys, I'm going to help you on this. Okay, that was a good guess. Okay, I'm going to help you on this. Science is a structure. Okay, you can copy my what I'm going to say it to you. Okay. Yes, science is a structure and art is a little bit tweak there, Chan. Just a little bit tweak there. Okay, I'll give you an example. So science is a structure and art is, that's it. And art is what? No, it's not idea and defensive. Art is what? Science is structure and art is, come on, guys, art is. I'll make it easy for you guys. Art is, come on, guys. Put in a full sentence. Science is a structure. That's the first answer. And art is, come on, guys. Remember back what you have learned. Come on. You're almost there. Good job so far. Almost there. Art is what? Put in a full sentence. I repeat, put a sentence. It's not technique, Suzanne. You're almost there. Come on. Of course, skill, but what? Come on. I already helped you guys make it easy. Art is what? No, almost there. Come on. Almost there. Okay, I'm going to help you on this. Structure is technical. Okay. Science is structure. Art is start with C. I want to help you guys. I want you to win 2 tickets. All right. It's cost a lot as well. You know, Jay Chow, very famous person. It's not cheap. Start with C. C. Come on. Cray what? No. Okay, I think we have a first winner. Yes, full sentence, full sentence. Just full sentence, full sentence. Okay, by the way, I have a few winners here. All right, we have a few winners. Okay, so the answer is good job, guys. So far, good job. By the way, give a hand to yourself for participating. Very good, friendly. Give a hand. We already have a winner. And we're going to announce that winner after this. We're going to contact you because make sure you... I want to ask you a question. I think we have a list, right? We have a list for those who win this... for those who enter this, you fill in your details in the forms, and then this is your real name. You did not rename yourself, right? Okay, so we have a winner. I'm going to go through. The answer is science is a structure and the art is a creativity. All right, the full sentence is science is a structure, for example, trading framework, and art is trading creativity. In structure itself to create result making money. Good job, guys. Good job. Give a hand. Awesome. I'm going to pick the winner for the first that answer right. Awesome. Good job. Please remember that. That's really important. Going to help you. It's totally game changer. It's a turnkey for your financial. All right, to get better financial for yourself and achieve the financial freedom. All right, so let's end this, and thank you so much for your time, but we're not there yet, and I'm going to give you example. I'm going to walk you through how you're going to get my trading $1 million trading checklist after this. All right, so oops, I'm sorry, I'm share the same again. All right, I'm going to give to you, basically you're going to have a bonus as well. All right, so this bonus right now, for those who deposit, like I mentioned earlier, you work with TMGM, work with me. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to deploy the live trading. And for those who deposit 500 USD and above, and you get 30% bonus on proportional bonus credit and trading volumes of 60% of the proportional bonus received. And 5,000 USD, 3% of proportional bonus of 1,500 USD and equivalent to 900 lot. So if you can contact the TMGM, they already have your information, and anytime you can contact or reply back on the email itself. All right, thank you so much, guys. And for those that I promised you, please go to this link. All right, I'm going to share this link. Right. Maybe most of you already with me before this. No worries if you already registered, and I'm going to change everything. I'm going to send you everything you need to get the trading checklist. All right. All right. Okay. So Jasmine said, congratulations for winning the Jay Chow concert ticket. Please send your personal information. All right. I'm going to save the chat first. So I'm going to save the chat first, so that I can choose the winner. All right, the MGM winner. Oops, what happened? I'm going to save first. All right, save chat. Okay, already saved chat. And if let's say I'm going to do some random check here, who's win this? Okay, the winner is Let me check back. I think you need to know right now. And then I'm going to give you some link. Is it okay? Give me a few minutes. All right. Is it okay? Give me a few minutes. All right. Who's the first one? I'm going to scroll again. Or maybe Mira can pick for me. All right. To help me. Who the first said that trading structure. Basically, science is a structure. Trading is art. That's the answer. Who said it first? I'm going to scroll, give you a moment. I ask my team as well to help you on this. Because maybe it's not fair if I choose wrongly. The winner is Wong Sun To! Wong Sun To! Give a hand to Wong Sun To, guys! Okay, I got this. 10:28. He just answered. Give a hand to Wong Sun To! Wong Sun To, give a hand! Awesome! Got it! Check out, y'all! Good job! 2 tickets to Jay Chow! Awesome! Congratulations to Wong Sun To! Please! Awesome! Please send your personal information and contact webinar at TMGM. I'm going to paste again. Okay, so please contact. All right, yeah. So congratulations for winning the Jay Chow concert. Thank you so much, TMGM. Really appreciate that. I think we all really appreciate TMGM for help you on this webinar and give you lucky draw some more without any conditions. Okay, so let's end this by sharing you the link. You can download this. It's the same download setup. I'm going to send you immediately in a few hours. My team going to send you. Chat is not disabled, Muzamil. So this is the link. So please go directly to the link and just click Muat Turun. I know this is the in the Malay language. I'm going to share with you in English, by the way, through email. So just download and I'm going to send you. First, you're going to get this first email, contest this book, and then I'm going to share with you the $1 million training checklist. All right, is it good? All right, so thank you so much for tonight, for having TMGM. I really appreciate you all. I hope this year will end greatly in the Q4. And next year is our progress to get our life better. And 2014 will be the most glorious day, the glorious years. And we never worry about, money. Thank you so much from Vietnam. Thank you so much from all over the world. Thank you so much for, obviously, most of you is my follower. I appreciate that. And hopefully we can work together and make money together and change people's life, change our life and change people's life. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm Gero Azrul. Hopefully, see you on the next session. Good job, guys. All the best and see you. See you, guys.